Good day everyone. Now we will start the answer key of 3 marks question of accountancy code 6367/3/1. The question: Tara, Meera and Neera, we have to prepare Tara's capital account. Answer key of Tara's capital account. First of all, Bible is brought on opening capital, interest on capital for 3 months, सस्पेंस अकाउंट ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस 3 मंथ का 1/3 शेयर्स, ड्रॉइंग 8,000 इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल 3 मंथ 240 द बैलेंस इज ऑफ एग्जीक्यूटर अकाउंट. Next, 18A, Lakshmi, Rani and Priya. In this question, we have to show the single clearly working. There is difference of the 3% extra interest on capital. We have the Lakshmi, Rani and Priya. It is a firm. Difference of 3% capital we calculate on the total capital of 8 lakh for the Lakshmi, 7 lakh for the Rani and 5 lakh for the Priya. 3% ये हमारा आया 60,000. ये उनसे वापस लेना है और 60,000 we have to distribute among them in the profit sharing ratio. It is 578. 578. There is no change in the Rani. ये हो गया नील. फॉर द लक्ष्मी वी हैव टू टेक, उनसे लेना हमने 9,000 डेबिट. फॉर द प्रिया 9,000 क्रेडिट. और एंट्री विल बी लक्ष्मी अकाउंट डेबिट 9,000 टू प्रिया कैपिटल 9,000 बीइंग एडिशनल एंट्री पास. देन ऑप्शन सुकेश एंड सुरभि वर पार्टनर. वी हैव टू प्रिपेयर P&L एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट. P&L account, by P&L 5,50,000. First we distribute this profit in 5:3:2 ratio. ये रेशियो कहाँ से हमारी आई? वी नो वेरी वेल. हमारी रेशियो कितनी है? 5:3. सुमन का शेयर है 1/5. उसको हमने सॉल्व करके निकाला 5:3:2. इट शुड बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट अमंग 5:3:2. हमने क्या देखा कि सुमन का शेयर 1,10,000 है. उसको देना कितना हमने? 1,20,000. जो 10,000 की डेफिशिएंसी है, इट इज़ अ डेफिशिएंसी बॉर्न बाय बोथ पार्टनर 5:3 में. 6250 3750 ये उसको दे देंगे. उनसे हम लोगों ने वापस ले ली, माइनस कर दिया. तो नेट वैल्यू ऑफ सुकेश, सुरभि एंड सुमन. Now 19A, ICICI Limited purchase a building worth 20 lakh. For this, answer is building account debit, amount machinery account debit, furniture account debit, to liability to Nitara Limited. जो difference है, it is go for the capital reserve. Fine. Then being business purchase. अब number of debenture is equal to amount due value of one debenture. Amount due is 15,30,000 divided by value 1 debenture 90,000. It becomes 17,000. Next entry Nital Limited account debit 15,30,000. डिस्काउंट हमारा आएगा 17,000 के ऊपर 10%, 10 के साथ वो बन गया 1,70,000. 70,000 टू 11 डिवेंचर इट इज़ 17 lakh. Now B part, on 1st April, Bharti Heavy Industry Limited purchased. Yes. Asset account debit, liability, Mac Limited. अब हमारी डेबिट कम है तो टू गो टू द गुडविल अकाउंट 3 lakh. नंबर ऑफ डिवेंचर सेम वे, अमाउंट ड्यू वैल्यू 1 डिवेंचर. अब प्रीमियम है तो हमारी वैल्यू बढ़ जाएगी. इट इज़ 12,000. एंट्री विल बी Mac Limited 15 lakh to never debenture 12 lakh and security premium 3 lakh being debenture issued. For this, we have to do the stepwise calculation. First, we find total capital, Dhruv's capital, Seema's capital. Become 30 lakh. Then normal profit, 15 lakh is normal rate of return. Become 4 lakh 50,000. Then every year profit is given to us. There are two adjustment over undervaluation of the, उसको हमने सॉल्व किया, we become the 21 lakh. It is total profit. Then average profit divided by 4. We have the average profit 5 lakh 25,000. Then super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. It become 75,000. Then goodwill is equal to average super profit into 3-year purchase. It become 2 lakh 25,000. Now section B, 3 marks question, the classification of the head and subhead. For this, people insurance, major head current asset, other head subhead other current asset. Security premium, major head shareholder fund, subhead reserve and surplus. Design, major head non-current asset, subhead fixed asset under intangible asset. Now 32 sum, we have to prepare the comparative statement of P&L. For comparative statement, we have to prepare the P&L as per the schedule given. Revenue from operation, other income, expenses, total expenses, profit before tax, profit after tax. By chance they all are double, तो क्या बना हमारा 100%. Thank you. Have a nice day. It is all about the 3 marks question of this set. Thank you.